Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Groundhog Day, and I've already watched the news. Phil Petitonsky, whatever how you say it, Phil, 6 more weeks of winter. All right. I had a great weekend off. Saturday, I didn't cook. Robin and I had a telepathic thing going. We had pizza. Simple. But last night, I did cook because it was the beginning of the English Kitchen Week. I'm doing 6 recipes from the English Kitchen. Wednesday, Robin is out of town, so I'll be doing something completely different. Last night, I prepared Amish chicken and stuffing casserole. I really wouldn't call it a casserole. Just, yeah, us silly Americans. It was good. I played with it a little bit, and you can play with it as well. Remember, recipes are just guidelines. Marie likes to include in her recipes, when she adds something to the original recipe, my inclusion. So make your own inclusions. Today's kind of a special day. It's kind of a twofold for me. I'm going to start with the outright recipe, which is English pea soup. But this requires ham stock. You don't have to have ham stock, but I'm going the extra mile or two, and I am doing a homemade ham stock. I got lucky that Winco carries certain items. Let's get to it. One of those special items is a smoked ham shank. The core of the stock. Of course, being a stock, onion, carrots, celery. I'm going to put some garlic, optional, a couple bay leaf, some whole black peppers, and water. That's it. For the soup, the stock, the split peas have been soaking overnight. It should be nice and ready when I put this together later on this afternoon. Roughly chopped onion, roughly chopped carrot, roughly chopped celery. It's a celery day and a bay leaf day. There's some butter, kosher salt, black pepper, summer savory, a blend that I produced or put together over the summer. This is not my recipe. I got this, via the interweb. Of course, bay leaf and bacon. Look at the price of this bacon. That's right, folks, and that's a pound. That's just shy of being over a pound. So that's it. It's going to be a fun afternoon because this is all going to be done in the afternoon. The simmer time on the stock is about 2 to 3 hours. That's it. It's not an all day like a chicken stock or a turkey stock, because this is a smoked shank. It's basically going to be about a 2.5 hour simmer time, and I want to kind of get it ready right before I start putting the soup together. That way, it's hot or very warm going into the soup. So it's gonna be a fun afternoon. I have an eye appointment at about 12:30. I'm having a hard time reading TV monitors. I'm having a hard time reading computer monitors. So, and I spend a lot of time on a computer. Yeah, editing and doing everything I do for the group, for you. So on this Groundhog Day, 6 more weeks, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, my friends, have fun cooking.